This 2000 American Coach American Eagle is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American coach is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a beige, multicolor interior, sleeps 4, skylight, leveling jacks, slide-out, refrigerator, microwave, awning, TV, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2000 American Coach American Eagle is built on a Spartan Motors chassis and is powered by a Cummings engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.